Here's the 6-inch flexible metal duct, and I've rolled up some thin gauge sheet metal to act as a coupler, so when we hook the other end it'll slide right on there and stay fixed. I have some scrap insulation that I'm going to put around the duct, and I'm going to also use it as a blanket for dragging my tools across the crawl space. And into the crawl space we go. Yuck. Since it's a pain to crawl all the way to the other end of the house, you want to be very sure that you have all the tools you need, otherwise you have to crawl back out, crawl back in again. To hold up the duct, when they installed it, they used this sort of nylon strap that's just tacked to the joist with a nail, and I don't have any of that stuff, so what I did was I used Gorilla tape and wrapped it around the pipe like so. And while I'm down here, I brought some of these springy metal rods that will hook up to the top to hold some sagging insulation in place. You just bend it a little, and that's all there is to it. Here we are at the other end of the house. You can see the deteriorated duct that I cut off there. The duct that is just blowing air into the crawl space right now. And we want to connect up to there. And like I said, I have all my tools on this piece of insulation that I'm going to use when I get there. And then I'll just pull it along like a sled. So our connection there is complete. Now we'll just put a little insulation on and we'll be done. Then I'll just cut the insulation with the utility knife.